Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your default music player in Google. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to change your default music player, first head over to the Google app. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture in the top right hand corner of the screen. And then on the next menu, tap on Settings. On the next menu, tap on Google Assistant. Then scroll down and tap on Music. And then the last thing that you need to do is choose your desired music player. So the assistant will use this music provider by default when asked to play music. You can still play music using all other linked providers when specified. And that's all it takes to change your default music player in Google. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.